The city of Cloutville has noticed that a large amount of their population has fallen ill due to unknown cause. The mayor has called numerous scientists and researchers to find out the problem so that the town can find a solution. Then suddenly a scientist, Dr. Sharman, claims that he has found out what the problem is and that he has a solution.
Hi, Mayor Bolat. I have discovered the problem the town is facing.
What's the problem?
Through a number of tests I have completed, I have noticed that the problem has arisen from your landfill.
What is wrong with our landfill?
The problem was caused by the formation of leachate.
What are leachates?
Leachate is a black liquid that contains organic and inorganic chemicals as well as pathogens.
Oh, well, how does it form then?
Leachate is formed in many ways. One way is when precipitate percolates downward through the waste material. As liquid seeps through the landfill and collects decomposed waste components, chemical reactions take place and produce a toxic leachate cocktail. Leachate can also be produced when groundwater enters a landfill and comes in contact with the garbage.
But how does this affect us?
Leachate is either mixed with groundwater or seeps into nearby bodies of water. This leads to a big risk of public health and environmental quality because it could contain harmful chemicals such as methane, carbon dioxide, organic acids, alcohols, and aldehydes.
Wait, have you ever experienced an issue regarding leachates before?
I have. I experienced it once before in Halliburton Landfill in central Ontario about 9 years ago.
Oh, what happened over there?
Water seepage has started to occur and leachate started to impact off-site groundwater. This caused drinking water to become contaminated in a small area of land, which led to public health risks and degradation of local environmental quality.
But how did it happen?
Rainwater has started to percolate through the landfill, which is close to maximum capacity. Soon leachate was going into groundwater, but no immediate action was taken by the landfill industries. This only led to the problem becoming bigger.
Why did it happen though?
This was all due to the poor landfill exit strategy, which caused the leachate to pollute nearby water sources and contaminate it. All locals were affected with poor water quality and could only drink bottled water. It also affected them economically because there was no residential development near the area because of contamination.
How was it solved?
They changed the drainage pattern and created an attenuation zone. Leachate attenuation zones are natural buffers around a landfill that protect against contamination of groundwater. Enough about the past. Let's talk about the current problem.
Okay, we need your suggestion on solving the leachate issue in our town.
Build a sanitary landfill that is designed to control methane and leachates as well as reducing the risk of land pollution. The leachates are collected by impermeable liners that are composed of flexible plastic membranes and a layer of compacted clay. The waste is then spread around, compacted by machinery, and a layer of compacted soil is spread on top.
Okay, but how does it exactly remove the leachate?
Leachate is then collected by pipelines under the landfill and pumped to nearby public sewer systems, and the methane is collected and used as fuel. Once a landfill is full, it is capped off with a layer of impermeable product to block water from entering and can be turned into recreational areas or even public parks.
Oh, I like your idea, but I would like to see another person's perspective on the situation before I make a decision for my city.
Okay, understandable. Have a nice day.
The next day.
Hello, Dr. Gurkrat. My city has encountered a problem with leachate in our landfill, and I was wondering whether I could get your expertise on the situation.
Well, I've encountered this type of situation before, and over there we decided to build an on-site leachate treatment facility.
Oh, that's neat. But how do on-site treatment plants solve the problem?
These allow us to treat the contaminated liquid on the site of the landfill while saving money on transportation to off-site facilities.
That sounds like a good plan, but to make sure my city receives the best treatment possible, I want to seek out one more solution and then I will decide on which one to use for my city.
Okay, I understand.
6.5 hours later.
Hello, Dr. Johnny. I was wondering if you have any ideas for a solution to our landfill dilemma.
Yes, I heard about it, and I might have a solution. However, it's a theory that I just created and it hasn't been tested before.
Oh, okay, well, I guess nothing can go wrong in at least hearing it.
So my solution is to introduce antacids to the leachate as it reaches the groundwater to help remove the acidity. Then the remaining leachate can be transported to a storage facility where it would be boiled, separating the water from most of the contaminations. It can then safely enter the groundwater after being seeped through the chemical filters.
Okay, I'll take your idea into consideration.
The next day.
Which solution do I think is the best for the city? Well, I think the solution provided by Dr. Gurkrat's the best way to go. It is cost efficient and can provide job opportunities to our citizens while also solving the problem.
Several days later.
Hello, Dr. Gurkrat. I loved your idea on how to solve our situation, and I would love to employ you to help us fix this.
Well, thank you for the opportunity. I believe my solution is cost efficient, beneficial to society, and eco friendly.